Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss about the HDLC, High Level Data Link Control Protocol. What it is and how it works and what are the description of it and what is the importance of the HDLC in the network. So today we will see start the HDLC. Friends, अगर अभी तक आपने चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो फ्रेंड्स आप चैनल सब्सक्राइब कर लें। आपको नए नए वीडियोज हमारे आपको मिलते रहेंगे और बेल पर क्लिक करना ना भूलें। सो वी विल स्टार्ट द HDLC। हाई लेवल डेटा लिंक कंट्रोल कॉन्सेप्ट क्या होता है? इट इज़ द डेवलप्ड बाय ISO। ISO इज द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन दैट प्रूव द trademark and standards of the levels of the HDLC. HDLC group A of protocols to transmit a frame between endpoints. Endpoints means here sender and receiver. How sender send the frame and receiver receive the frame. In HDLC, data is organized into a unit which is known as frame and sent it over a network to destination that verify its सक्सेसफुल अराइवल। जब एक सेंडर रिसीवर को डेटा भेजता है, डेटा मीन्स हियर फ्रेम फॉर फ्रेम भेजता है, तब उस पर्टिकुलर फ्रेम को ही इसको यूनिट कहते हैं। और HDLC में जब एक फ्रेम ट्रेवल करके एक नेटवर्क से सेंडर से डेस्टिनेशन की ओर जाता है और सेंडर के पास एक्नॉलेजमेंट आ जाता है और रिसीवर उसको एक्नॉलेजमेंट देता है, सो दैट सिनेरियो नोन एज द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ द फ्रेम एंड ट्रांसमिशन ऑफ द फ्रेम। द HDLC protocol manage the flow of data. As we have already described the what is the concept of the flow of control and error control. So HDLC protocol manage the flow of data, how the sender send a frame and how the receiver receive a frame at a particular constant speed. That's why the packet should not be lost. Next point here is the HDLC is one of the most used protocol in layer 2. Actually that is the concept of the comes around the OSI second layer, that is known as the data link layer. It provides the high flexibility, high adaptability, reliability and efficiency of all kind of operation that is required in the network. So what kind of the operation required the network? Whenever it sender send a packet or frame from one point to end point means here receiver. So what are the things happening? So that scenario known as the HDLC and transmission of the reliable delivery of the packet. Now the next point is the HDLC protocol embeds the information in a frame that allow the device to control data flow and correct the error. Actually a frame is a collection of lots of information like a sender information, destination information, data format, and also it contains the error handling points like the ECF, FCS, trailer and so on. These are the combinations of the frame. It is a bit oriented data link control protocol. The next point, important point in HDLC is there are the three types of the stations occurs in the HDLC. So this is the most important thing, how many types of the stations occurs in the HDLC. So in this we will describe that there are the three types of the station. First one is primary station, secondary station and combined station. So now let's see primary station. The primary station look after data link management, means connecting and disconnecting the link between the sender and receiver. How the link are connecting the sender and receiver and disconnecting. Second point is the secondary station. it operates under the primary station. The frame sent by secondary station is called response. Next, combined station, it act as a primary and secondary. That's why its name indicating the collection or combination of primary station and combined secondary station. So that is the concept of the three kind of the station that occurs in the HDLC. First one primary, secondary and combined station. Now in the HDLC there are the three types of the data transfer mode occurs. First one is NRM, ARM, ABM. So now we will see here NRM means here normal response mode. This model is used or suitable for point to point or point to multi-point kind of the operation or data transfer. So how it is a synchronous mode of communication and it is well-disciplined mode rather than ARM. Now we will see here what is the ARM. ARM is the asynchronous response mode. This mode only used for communication between primary and secondary station that we have already described in the previous slide. There are the three kind of the station: primary, secondary and combined station. In ARM, secondary station can transmit the frame without granting of primary and secondary station. Means सेकेंडरी स्टेशन बिना किसी परमिशन के प्राइमरी और सेकेंडरी स्टेशन की परमिशन के बिना ही इस पैकेट को और फ्रेम को सेंड कर सकता है. दैट इज द एक्चुअल मीनिंग ऑफ द ARM, एसिंक्रोनस रिस्पॉन्स मोड. एंड नाउ व्हाट इज द ABM, asynchronous balanced mode. This mode is used to point-to-point communication between two combined stations. Actually, ABM is used for the combined station. In this mode, information frame can be transmitted in full duplex manner. So these are the categories of the three kind of the stations and three kind of the data transfer mode. Now what are the structure of the frame format and what are the frame format occurs in HDLC. As we know here, there are the three types of the frame format occurs in HDLC. First one is the I frame. I frame means information frame. S frame means supervisory frame, and the U frame unnumbered frame. So these are the three categories of the frame structure in HDLC. So now we will start here. What is the I frame? I frame carry the user data from network layer, and the supervisory frame, it is used for flow of control and error control. It is especially for just supervising all kind of the things happening properly or not. So that is the meaning of the supervisory frame. And information frame means it contains or it carries only the data or information. Now the third one is the unnumbered frame. It is used for exchanging the session management and control information between the communication device. Suppose if the communication mode is happening within the two devices, so that controls the between the exchanging of information and session management. So that comes under the U frame. Now the structure of the frame, the structure of the I frame is, first field is the flag, that is 8-bit, address field, control field, information field, FCS, frame check sequence, and the last one is the flag. So as you can see here, the first and last is the flag, the second is the address, and that is the error controlling handling, and that is the control information, and also that is the information. Now the S frame, supervisory frame, and unnumbered frame, both frame structure are the same. So that's why we have not drawn individually, we have just mentioned S and U frame structure. So what is the difference between I frame and S frame? Both are the same, flag, address also here, control information also here, information also here, but in place of the FCS there is no field. So that is the little bit difference. Only FCS is not here in the S frame or U frame. So you can remember what is the difference between the I frame and S frame or U frame. So what is the, now we will see here what is the meaning of each and every field. Flag, the flag is the 8-bit, it always fixed, that is the scenario of the flag 0, 6 times 1 and 0. So flag is used to identify start and end of each frame. Address, it consists of address of the secondary station. Control field, it carries the sequence number of frame and acknowledgement request and other control commands that maintained by the control field. Now the last one is the information field that contains the data or packet information. Now the FCS, that is the frame check sequence that maintain that is used for the error correction and detection and are also for controlling the information. So that is the scenario of HDLC. 3 kind of the station, 3 kind of the data transfer mode, and 3 kind of the structure, frame structure format. Now the HDLC variation, where is the use of the normal response mode, link access procedure balanced. So that is the meaning of the normal response mode. It is used for multi-point link access procedure, early X.25 implementation. Link access procedure balanced, it is used in current X.25 implementation, and LAPD, link access procedure for the integrated service digital network channel, that is used for the ISDN, and link access procedure for modem, that is used for error correcting modems specified as part of over B442. Now this is the complete scenario of the HDLC. For more videos, subscribe the channel. Thank you.